All right, guys, today we're going to do an install into the Silverado. I got a bunch of straps and tools. I need a place for them to go, so we got this swing case that sits right in this corner here, and we're going to get to installing this. I hope you guys enjoy. We got the bracket here. What happens is, we're going to mount the bracket right here, and then this goes right over here. Somehow, I'm going to look at the instructions, but this is the latching mechanism that hooks to the back of here. I will show you there. So right here, that's what locks it in place and keeps it from moving. I'm going to get into this install. I'm going to go find some tools. So what I did, I used one of the screws as a little guide, and I'm just going to keep this level here. I'm going to start at the bottom and drill her in there. Make sure it's level. I'm going to shut the tailgate just to make sure everything goes smooth. And we have no issues with closing the tailgate. Nope. No issues. Looks pretty good. Alright, guys. So you can see it's perfectly flush right there. It goes a little behind, like on the side of the light. So I kind of lose some lighting, but I have some future plans. Now we have to get to installing this bracket over here. I believe it goes just like that. Right there. So I'm going to read the instructions and I'll be right back. Alright, guys. As you can see, the metal bar there, I had a little difficulty on where to put this bracket. So if we go over here, you have to mount it directly up against here. And then what I did the best way, as you can see, I did an extra hole on accident. But the best way, I would put it onto here, close it, and then mark it with like a paint marker or something. The 2 holes up top, 1 hole on the bottom. And it seems to be pretty good. Okay, give it a nice little push, but I will show you guys all the stuff I can fit in there now. This is a Kids Pro. I'll link it below. It's an affiliate link, but you have a combination code up top. You can program and twist just like that. Locks her up, open, but I'll get into that in just a minute when I get outside my truck. All right, guys, so all you have to do to open it, swing it out, you pull this little lever down here, swing her out, open it up, it goes, I'll show you, all the way out to there. So it's a good wide area, and we'll get in and show you the inside here. Very good, high quality box. You know, it's plastic. It runs $170, but it won't open if you have a tonneau cover like me, but it's not a problem. I want to be outside the truck putting stuff in like straps for the golf cart and some other good items, so I'm gonna put all these straps in there. This is gonna be my strap, my tool. Put some tools in there, that type of stuff. It comes with a plastic tray. I got some drill bits and stuff on here right now. I'm gonna pull those off. Pull all the screws out. Drop the tray in. And I will take you guys up there to see it. All right, guys, this is the tray. There's all my straps. I have room for a drill, socket set, etc. I'm not worried about locking this too much. It does come with a lock that you can put right here, but I'm not worried about that because I have a tonneau cover. My tonneau cover is always on, and my truck is always shut, the tailgate. But definitely nice upgrade to the truck today. Hey guys, that's the end of this install of the truck box. They do make it for the left and the right hand side. I just got the right hand side. I don't need the left hand side, but check out a video on the left and the right hand side of the screen. We're doing more customization to the Chevy. You guys like the wheel covers we posted. Hope you enjoyed this one. We're going to find some more accessories to post, and we also might do a sport rack up here eventually if I can find the right one. So till next time, keep exploring, check out some more Chevy customizations, or check out some car show videos. We got a lot coming, and we're getting ready right now.